Look how much sound that my vest. Hey guys! Thanks so much for clicking on the clip. Just as a general announcement, I'm actually doing a live Q&A on Christmas Eve with my dog. We're gonna build a gingerbread house together and answer questions that you guys may have right here on YouTube. So not this Monday, but the next Monday we're doing a live Q&A. So, also if you see this clip like next year and you discovered this stand-up clip, like, you will have no, like, you missed the Q&A. You missed it. Fun vests.
Jesus, it's hot, it's hot. It's hot as shit, dude. Oh my god. Do they not know hot air rises? The hot air has risen, and so has the Lord. So as people, I get it. People can have a pretty visceral reaction. Whoa! What the hell was that? Is that a bat? What? Did Shaq scuff his cleats? What happened? Was someone backing up their Ford? What kind of shit was that? I want answers. That was a sneeze? Jesus, did you inhale your panties right before? What the hell? I thought that was a gunshot. Ah, see, the female pistol, it screams till it finds its mate. You attach it to your areolas. Little t-shirt gun. Happy college. What amount of dust entered your face? Did you snort a tumbleweed before the show? Do you have allergies? To what? Yourself? God damn it! Did you break a board at least? What belt are you? God bless Texas. I've never been more frightened in my whole life. You just do the one sneeze. Are you done for the whole year, or is it like spring cleaning? You're just It's every hour. It's like meds. Okay. It's not necessarily your fault. I mean, they put the club up here in an attic, so.